Scan your card. It blinks. Take that thing.
Now you're ready to shop. Now you can start scanning.
Ha ha ha.
Scan. Make sure that you scan everything. Here in Norway, everything is based on trust, but they do random checking every now and then. And this is how you do it for loose items like fruits or potatoes. It's actually very easy. There are pictures, so you just click on that. Then get the sticker, stick it, and scan it. Beep. Now is paying time. When you're ready to check out, scan this red checking barcode on the counter and then scan your Medlands quote.
You just pay.
Follow instructions on the screen.
Yes.
To get out, you have to scan the barcode on the receipt. And that's it. Finish.